करिश्मा कपूर के बच्चों के लॉयर ने स्लैम किया प्रिया सचदेव कपूर को। समायरा और कियान राज कपूर के लॉयर ने प्रिया सचदेव को कहा ग्रीडी। आपको बता दें, करिश्मा कपूर's children are fighting a legal battle against Priya Sachdev Kapoor over their late father Sanjay Kapoor's rupees 30,000 crore estate. Well, the high-stakes inheritance case has taken a dramatic turn after the children accused Priya of giving them Cinderella stepmother treatment, favoring her own child and allegedly trying to restrict their rightful share of their father's assets. आपको बता दें, हाल ही में दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट में हुई एक हीटेड हियरिंग जिसमें सीनियर एडवोकेट महेश जेठमलानी, जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं करिश्मा के बच्चों को, उन्होंने प्रिया सचदेव कपूर को कंपेयर किया क्रूअल स्टेप मदर से फ्रॉम द फेरी टेल सिंड्रेला। उनका कहना था कि प्रिया बहुत ज्यादा मैनिपुलेटिव एक्ट कर रही हैं और वो संजय कपूर की वास्ट इनहेरिटेंस का पूरा कंट्रोल लेना चाहती हैं। एक मीडिया रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक जेठमलानी आस्क्ड द कोर्ट, who is really greedy? She has already got 60% of the assets, around 12% to her own son and 75% of the trust. She was in such a hurry, she even started writing letters about Benami forms which are used to decide beneficiaries of companies. He alleged that Priya's glaring hurry was an attempt to cut down the rightful share of Sanjay Kapoor's children from his previous marriage to actor Karishma Kapoor. The advocate also raised doubts about the validity of Sanjay Kapoor's will, which lies at the center of the dispute. जेठमलानी ने कोर्ट में कहा, "It is not possible that Sanjay Kapoor would not have consulted an advocate before creating a will and bequeathing such a large estate." जब कोर्ट ने पूछा कि क्या विल को टाइप किया गया था, तो जेठमलानी ने कंफर्म किया इट वाज and pointed out several loopholes and infirmities in the document, suggesting the will lacked proper legal preparation. जेठमलानी ने कहा, "This is not a normal case. There is no reason why the executor was not informed or why a lawyer wasn't consulted. A genuine will by a well-positioned man in society does not suffer from loopholes and infirmities." He suggested that the way the will was handled showed clear signs of irregularities and that something might have been altered without proper consultation. कोर्टरूम टेंशन इन बातों से काफी बढ़ गई। जेठमलानी ने क्लेम किया कि that the will was changed while Sanjay Kapoor was on a holiday with his son. He also alleged that the person who made those changes became a director in one of the companies just a day after Sanjay's funeral, raising questions about the timing and intent behind these actions. जेठमलानी ने कोर्ट को ये भी रिमाइंड कराया कि forging a will is a serious offense punishable by life imprisonment. उन्होंने कहा, "There is a case where the entire justice system is being taken for a joke. The legal battle revolves around Sanjay Kapoor's rupees 30,000 crore inheritance, one of the biggest and most talked about family disputes in recent years. Karishma Kapoor's children Samaira and Kian have filed a case in a Delhi High Court seeking what they believe is their fair share of their late father's personal estate. And after an intense session, the Delhi High Court adjourned the proceedings. अब इस केस की अगली सुनवाई 16 अक्टूबर को होगी। डेफिनेटली करिश्मा कपूर के बच्चों और प्रिया सचदेव कपूर का ये लीगल बैटल अब काफी अगली टर्न ले चुका है। अब देखना दिलचस्प रहेगा कि आगे इस केस में क्या नया मोड़ आता है।